question came from Ankara, Turkey. A doctor asked, since the genetic deficiency can be now detected by the reliable scientific methods, would Huzur support the idea of establishing a medical center to which the couples would apply to be informed about their sound availability for marriage and having children?
Very confusing question, huh? You
Says
understand?
that,
Yes.
because the genetic deficiency can be found through medical testing. So is it, would Huzur favor the establishment of such center where a couple can go before marriage to find out whether the marriage is going to be fine later on or not?
No, that's not the question.
Yes, that's the question.
Any genetic center which I propose,
Do you agree the
I agree
establishment
with the
of
idea.
such?
I agree with the idea of making one's best efforts for the compatibility, to find out the compatibility of the persons to be married. This compatibility issue is mentioned by Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself under the word kufur. So kufur is highly important. Among other things, kufr is also emphasized by Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which means they should be compatible. So now the system has scientific means are made available to us, whereby we can find out the compatibility at an inner and genetic level. So if anyone wants to be very careful about the marriage proposal, why shouldn't he go to the center? There is no religious objection against it. We'll be only following the advice of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam with the help of modern technology. Right? He's doing very well, mashallah. Huh? You've got a good alternative. But you better inquire about Obade, what happened to him, and if he's fallen ill suddenly, you should inquire after his health from all of us. Right? On behalf of all of us.